Thank you, Intoresin. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I just got home from my vacation, and this is the first box I received, and this is from Intoresin. And I am so excited. They contacted me right before I left from vacation, and I had no clue that I would be getting this so quick. So here we go. This is a handmade diamond star moon storage box set. It features a captivating celestial theme with intricate crafted star and moon designs. The combination of diamond shape and celestial motifs add a touch of enchantment to your resin creations, making them perfect for storing your treasures. It is meticulously made with the attention to detail, ensuring consistent quality and precision in every piece. The star and moon motifs are faithfully replicated, allowing you to create a storage box that is as beautiful as it is functional. I did forget to put my camera on, and this is TLP Simplicity, and I'm sorry, but I did miss the first few. But I'm putting this right into the stars, and I'm not touching the outside where those beautiful little crystals are. We don't want to ruin that. Let's open these babies up. My initial thoughts here, I was not thrilled with the choice of my tint to this resin. But look at that sparkle and shine. That is undeniable. These molds are just amazing. Look at that. Wow. Gorgeous. Top quality. Put that together. All the way. Look how that fits. Beautiful. Perfect. Perfect fit. But you know I can't leave it like that. Let's check back and see what I'm gonna do. Okay, so here's round 2. And I'm going to take my, not that one. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going to take some enchantment, and I'm going to put it into the stars. So I took the first storage box set that I made, and I thought it was a good idea to mix this powder glow-in-the-dark pigment that I had for a while and mix it with some UV resin and paint it onto the stars and the planets. And as I proceeded to do this, as you can see here, I then lost some of the footage after this. I'm going to speed this up at this point. That was the lost footage in between, and I will speed this up for you. I just painted, I continued painting this on, and my end result here, I still was not happy. Little bubble over here, and just gonna push that, sand that down a bit. And I'm gonna cover this with some of my black resin. I'm just using a regular nail file here, and I apologize for being out of frame. I'm just I just fixed that one little bubble that I had there, but now I'm just going around the whole top, just making sure everything is smooth all around. And I'm out of frame, really sorry. Just want to make sure that that resin sticks to the top there. And you will see that I am pouring this a little at a time because I do not want to go over the edge. So be very careful when you do something like this. You want to just go slow, slow, and bring that right to the edge. And I'll do it in real time on one of them, and on the rest of them I will speed that up for time purposes. So, what do we do? All right, let's leave that. No, let's leave that. Let's open this one up. Let's open this up. I'm excited. I love to open it up. Oh, wow. Look at how gorgeous that is. Wow. Can you see that? That shine. Okay. So that's that. Now here we have this part. Okay, ready? How gorgeous is that? And I just gotta fix that up a little bit. Scissor too. And this is best to do it while it's soft. So here's my little tip of the day. Use a scissor instead of the deburring tool while your resin is still a little soft. It's much easier. Just go around, hold it close to the edge, and you can cut that right off very easily. How gorgeous that is. And let's see. Oh, gorgeous. Yeah. Okay, so we have this. And let's reveal. Wow. So check that out. So, I think this was a win-win situation here. So, we did this one after the fact. And look how gorgeous. Look at that showing on that black. Look how pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at this. Look how gorgeous that is. Let's put that right here.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end.
Beautiful.
And my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while I was trying to pretend.
And there you have it.
The promised land was there beyond the
Special thanks to my amazing members and my honorary member too. And to all that gave super thanks, Lena Park Art and Yen Drawers. Look for that 20% discount below. That's a big savings. Intoresin, thank you so much. I really appreciate you sending me this mold. The quality is just outstanding. So if you have to wait a little longer to get that mold, it's okay, because these are handmade. Yes, they are. Now, if you haven't met your neighbor yet, please take a moment and say hello. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. Signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Now, I am going to give you a little outtake of what I've been up to just this past week. It's been a fun week, I'll tell you that. What do you say? What do you say? What do you say to the peacock who crossed the road?
Why did peacock cross?
Why did the peacock cross the road? To get to the other side. And here's the white one coming.
All of them are leaving.
Look, there goes the other one. Oh, maybe they don't like dead people. Here goes the other one. Let's wait for it to come. Where'd he go? I'm waiting. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here we go. The peacock crossed the road. Get to the other side. Okay.
Where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home. California, California, here I come.
iShoe Crafted Kids Club is next. You're not going to want to miss it.